Hi, welcome to Barney Tech channel. Here we are going to see about SOTF production, and we are going to see about four things. What is SOTF, how it is going to work, logic behind this SOTF, and we are going to see a sample fault. First we can see what is SOTF. SOTF production works when we close breaker by local or remote. During that time, if the fault occurs in our line, then this fault is known as SOTF, and this will trip under SOTF. Now we see how it is going to work. For SOTF, it has to operate only for my line. Here, if I consider X is my substation, then the line from the X to Y I have to consider for operating under SOTF during the breaker closing time. For this, if I consider only the fault current, this will not help me because the fault current may be vary depending upon the fault on the transition line. For this, I have to get help from impedance production. So for oscillation of SOTF, I need zone 1 or zone 2 pickup. With the help of this, I can able to operate SOTF. If I consider zone 1, then I am going to lose 20% of my transition line without protection of SOTF. So that only we are going for zone 2. On zone 2, even though it is more than my transition line, for this SOTF, almost 95% it's going to work for my line only. We will see how. Let us consider I am going to close the breaker. So SOTF going to check for only at the time of closing. It has to check from the breaker 1 to breaker 2. But we have taken zone 2 as a reference. So it will check all the zone. If my breaker 2 is in closed position, then it is already in closed position, so there will not be any fault. There will not be any fault in the line. It will be in clear. So SOTF operation will be very rare in this case. On other case, if CB2 is open before CB1 close, then while closing the CB1, the SOTF will watch up to CB2, because beyond this CB2 it is open circuit, so no need to consider beyond this. For this condition, if you take the zone 2, it will be the perfect triggering for SOTF. Now we go for the logic. The logic is very simple. While closing the breaker, if the relay sends the abnormal condition, that is our zone 2 pickup, it will give the tripping command to CB. Now we go for fault stimulation, and we consider this is our transmission line. Here we are going to see SOTF on substation X. I am going to close the breaker 1. I am giving the close command. The breaker has been closed. By accidentally, the fault is present on our transmission line near to Y substation. So our relay pickup zone 2 pick. Due to this zone 2 pickup and close command, the SOTF is initiated on substation X. You see on substation Y, the zone 1 will come into picture and it will trip the breaker. This is how the SOTF production will operate. And we came to the end of the section. If you think this section is useful for your friends, then please share to them. Thank you for watching.